Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to start lesson number 4, Climate in India. So, everyone, open your SS textbook, page number 32. Now, we all like to eat ice creams in summer season, then spicy things, hot things in winter season. We like to play in rain. We like to make paper boats, right? So we all enjoy all the types of climate that are found in India. So first, can you see the boys playing in the park? First, it is so hot today. Then second, I can see the rain clouds at a distance. The wind is blowing them towards us. What happens? There are many clouds in the sky. The wind is taking all the clouds near to the boys. Let's play together in the first rain of the monsoon season. So here then they start playing in the monsoon, means in the rainy season. Now, what is weather? Weather is the day-to-day change in the atmosphere around us. The weather of a place may change continuously. Weather may even change within a few hours in a day. Thus, the weather tells us about the condition of sunshine, rain, wind, snow, temperature of a particular place at a certain time. You may have heard the weather news on television and radio or seen it on the internet. The information on how the weather will be the next day or the near future is known as a weather forecast. Now, what is weather? Weather is the change in the atmosphere. Like now, when we see in our mobiles, it shows 32 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius, 18 degrees Celsius. What it indicates? The temperature rise and fall of temperature. Sometimes it also shows about the wind direction, amount of rainfall, amount of snowfall. This is known as weather. Now, the information that we get about how the weather is going to be tomorrow. Like nowadays, many times we hear, right, that tomorrow is going to be a very heavy rainfall in some of the regions. That is known as weather forecast, means knowing the weather of future before. Now, a weather forecast is helpful for many people whose work is affected by the weather. For example, a farmer may want to know about the temperature at the time of sowing seed. Weather forecast also warns people about storm, heavy rainfall and bad weather conditions of a region. Now you can see in the picture like this, many times we have in our cell phones also, right? Monday, wind direction, sunlight, rainfall. Then you see sun, cloud, rainfall, thunder. So it also says that during storms like we see in TV, it is advised to stay in our homes. How they are able to know? With the help of weather forecast, that within this many hours there is going to be a great storm or heavy storm. So you all understood about weather. Weather is the change in temperature, rainfall, wind or any other change in our environment, day to day environment. It can change within an hour also. It can change day after day also. Now the next topic that we are going to see is about climate. What is climate? The weather condition of a large area over a long period of time is called its climate. Now, the weather condition which is same for a long area and for a very long time is known as climate. A place that gets little or no rainfall over many years will have a dry climate. For example, Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. The place that gets no rainfall or very little rainfall is known as place of dry climate. A place that stays cold for most of the year will have a cold climate. For example, Ladakh. Now, places that are very cold, especially hill stations, mountainous places, they are known as cold climate place. The weather of a place changes daily, but the climate of a place may not change for several years. Now, what happens? The weather changes daily and the climate does not change for many years. This is the difference between weather and climate. The climate of a place influences the lifestyle of people living there. The clothes they wear, the food they eat, the types of houses they build, and crops they grow. Now, the type of climate is responsible for the lifestyle of people. Lifestyle of people means what type of food they are eating, what type of clothes. Like in the places that are hot, people may wear thin clothes. In the places that are cold, people may wear woolen clothes or sweaters. See, here example is given. For example, people in Tamil Nadu wear loose cotton clothes because of its hot and humid climate. Now, people of Tamil Nadu, what they wear? Loose cotton clothes. As Meghalaya receives heavy rainfall every year, the roof of houses have slopes that do not let the rain stand on the roof. Now, here in Meghalaya, there is heavy rainfall throughout the year. So, what the people do, they make their houses with slanting roofs that whenever there will be rain, the water will slightly fall down. However, in Rajasthan, which receives very little rainfall, houses have flat roofs, so they can collect rainwater. In Rajasthan, as the rainfall is very low, people collect the rainwater on their roofs for doing water harvesting, means saving water. So, it is all done for today. The next two topics we will be completing in our next class. If you have any doubt in weather or climate, or you are not able to understand, you can ask me. Okay everyone, bye.